Clear Smooth BB Stick from Maybelline, New York. With oil control powder and sunscreen. Stay shine-free, bare skin perfect for up to 12 hours. Now 50 pesos off on Clear Smooth BB Stick, BB Cream, and BB Wipe.
Baby, it's Maybelline.
Iho, dito ka na sa madali. ML, kwarta padala. Mas maraming branches ang M. Lulier. Di siya pati buhok mo.
Kahit saan ka sa Pinas, may tulay sa pangarap mo. M. Lulier.
Kaya tara, let's go! Download na ng KakaoTalk and send your emoticons live and with life. Free Talk, KakaoTalk.
Enjoy unlimited Kakao Talk with Globe Prepaid.
Handog ng Youngstown Sardines. Pera sa lata. Buksan, tingnan ang maaring panalo sa takip. Ipalit ang premyo sa mga piling tindahan at Bombo radio stations. Sa kaunting halaga, Youngstown Sardines na. 6-6 sa sarap.
6-6 sa laman.
Subukan ng mapatunayan.
Today, everyone is a sure winner in the Great Hair Blowout promo. Just feel specially marked packs, and you can be an instant winner. Everyone is a sure winner in the Great Hair Blowout, also in bottles.
You never know when you'll need extra fresh bread. But don't take desperate measures to get it. Just take Colgate Plex. It kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and protects for 12 hours for longer-lasting fresh breath, giving you extra confidence when you need it most. Colgate Plex for longer-lasting fresh breath. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
Conceal or whiten spots? Now you don't have to choose. Discover the first ever BB Plus cream from Pond's. Conceal spots instantly and whiten skin from within for instantly spotless, radiant skin.
Sa kape, Green Stevia Natural Sweetener from the Stevia Rebaudiana Bertoni plant. It has 0 chemicals, 0 calories, kaya 0 worries. Pwede pang gamitin sa ibang pagkain. Green Stevia Natural Sweetener. Sweet, natural.
Sa ganda at saya, tamang-tamang pang 20th anniversary talaga. Ang early Christmas offering from Star Cinema and Skylight Films. Siya si Terry.
Hi! My name is Terry.
Love ng mga office mates, love ng mga customers, at love ni boss.
Kainin mo all you want.
Waiter! Mom, isang bakit ng beer, tapos isang sisig, 2 rice. Sagot niya.
Call Center Girl.
How is it, sir? Good?
November 27 in cinemas. Makiisa sa pagbuo ng kwento ng pagbangon. ABS-CBN presents Tulong Na, Tabang Na, Tayo Na, an all-star benefit concert ngayong Sabado sa Araneta Coliseum, 8 p.m. Kasama ang inyong paboritong kapamilya stars. Pag-isahin natin ang ating diwa at tinig para maiangat ang damdamin ng ating mga kapamilya at makalikom ng pondo para sa kanila. ABS-CBN presents Tulong Na, Tabang Na, Tayo Na, an all-star benefit concert ngayong Sabado sa Araneta Coliseum, 8 p.m.
Tumutong, magpatrol, magmalasakit. Bagsik niyo na ang ABS-CBN Special. Dahil sa pagmamalasakit sa isa't isa, makakaahon tayo sama-sama.